It still kind of look a little crusty. It's silk press season.
No, it's Scorpio season. Scorpio season.
Don't you say?
Nah, I'm not gonna fly down. I gotta stay like that.
Alright. Stylists do that. All you gotta do. Oh my God, I can do. Okay. And she gonna come right back like she did.
If she's live, she probably will. What you going to the party for?
Why? I'm crying.
My little baby. Look at you.
We here for a good time, not a long time, yeah.
Hey ladies, this is Janice Jeanette and I'm getting ready to do a silk press on my beautiful daughter. Wow. Oh my God, and she has the most beautiful curls in the world. I swear I don't even want to flat iron it. It's in a little tiny bottle, but
because you know why? Because in the stores it's about $19.99 for a 12 ounce.
This is cute.
Me gusta la fresa.
Nah, I'm not gonna flat iron it. It's gotta stay like that. Alright.
When your stylists do that, all you gotta do is, oh my God, I can do. Okay. And she gonna come right back like she did.
If she's live, she probably will.
That's how you get your stylist to come back.
No, that's not.
Hey, my hair has never looked like this when I washed it. I think I'm doing something wrong. It still kind of look a little crusty. Oh my gosh, my nana showed me an ugly little picture of me when I was in that was like in elementary, and I had that bun that you'd enforced in the back of my head, looking like I was about to go to the army.
What bun? Oh, that one.
No, mama.
You was so cute.
I look so bald, and I did not like it because Jay
You looked took care of your business, did your homework. You were just so smart. You used to always make all the good grades. I had to make sure you looked good. You looked so serious.
Until my brother started tapping on me.
And sorry guys, I did do her wash off cam, but yes, I washed her hair about 3 or 4 times before. Using only this shampoo, nothing else. To protect those beautiful curls, I go in with some Treasure Made heat protection. Literally haven't even started yet. My baby already feeling her hair. So I am gonna be playing music and somewhat talking in and out of the video, so just pay attention to the method that I am using. You're gonna get the same result. It doesn't matter if it's 4C or a different type of hair.
No, because I've been ready to use this sound for so long, so when I get cute, but I'm be cute, so.
You be mine, you can come inside. You're the type that can make me prioritize. Hitting my phone is alright.
And don't forget, when you're parting, make sure the parts are really small. Yes, because if you're not patient and you're just trying to hurry up and get done, it's not gonna come out right, girls. Like, you gotta take your time. Oh, and notice how her roots are straight. Once I was done blow drying it, I went back with the rat tail and combed through the roots with the blow dryer to get the, the curls out. And y'all, I'm really trying not to be in the way, but I am new to this, so let's switch angles.
To make me back, I'm like, Jalen, I need to get in the room for that. Oh, come my ear. You scaring me.
Yeah.
I still remember that. That was so funny. This is my wife, Janice.
You were bringing
We was saying that all around the house for so long. He was mad. She's like,
Let me see it. What's it giving? What's it giving?
it's giving pretty. Giving me pretty girl.
Honey, we're not even halfway done.
It's silk press season.
No, it's Scorpio season, baby. Scorpio season.
Don't you start.
Yes.
Because while you playing, October starts y'all Scorpio season off. So, like,
Y'all agree with that?
we do. It's
We
not an
always
agreement.
going back and forth.
It's not an agreement. It's like, what you think Scorpio
We
season?
all year round.
Oh
though.
my God, it does not. What you think Scorpio season start in November? No, it starts in October 20 something, and it goes to November. We started off for you. Thank you.
Bombastic side eye.
Calm down.
Thank you.
We are at the tops. All right, ladies. So we're getting ready to do her cut, and what you want to do, you want to make sure that your client is sitting up straight. Comb the hair out, shoulders, everything is straight, and make sure they are not in their phone whatsoever. Let's get into it. And don't be afraid to tell your client that you need them to put their phone down just for a second so you can get a straight cut. But if you're that type of person and you're just shy, put some signs up. Those really help. So you don't really have to say anything to them. They already know when it's time to cut to put the phone down. But people will try you and act like they don't even see the sign. So you're going to have to take matters in your own hand. Because if you mess up her hair, she's going to blame you. So make sure you tell her, hey, I'm going to need you to put your phone down just for a second so I can go ahead and cut your hair. You can tell her just like that. Wow, her hair came out really, really good. Better than I expected. But yes, we are finally coming to an end. We are done doing her hair. I really enjoyed making this video with my baby girl, as usual. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more business tips and hair videos and so much more. See you soon, ladies. Yes.
Everywhere I shake my hair.
Let me see the bag though.
Hey, what? Like what?
Go your father now.